Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to my next installment in the Blender for Beginners series. Now, in the previous videos, I explained every time how you can set your Blender to Maya navigation or how you can keep it default at Blender. I'm not going to do that in every video, so in this video, for the last time, I'm going to show you how you can do that. You're going to go up to Edit, Preferences, select Key Map, and then up here you can either select Blender, and then all your shortcuts and whatnot will be default Blender. Or if you, for example, come from Maya, like myself, you would go into here and you would select Industry Compatible. So this means that whenever I hover over a button, and I'll just go up here to Edit, right? If I hover over a button here, then I will get a shortcut that's different from yours. So if you are using Blender, that is, right, the Blender settings. So for example, here where it says extrude manifold, my shortcut would be Control E, yours would be E, okay? Just so you're aware. So look up your shortcuts by hovering over the tool button. Now, that said, we're going to be talking about extrude today. Now, because this is a beginner's video, I'm not going to cover all the options you can find under extrude. I'm going to cover the default, so straight up extruding, all right? I'm going to definitely do videos on that, but I don't want to get you too confused as you just start out. What you do need to know is if you look at these tool buttons and you see one where it has a little triangle in the bottom right corner, what you can do is hold down your left mouse and pull, right? So like this. So you just click on it and then you drag to the right. You can see there are a number of options here. What we're going to focus on is extrude region. Okay. As soon as you do that, you get this yellow plus sign in that thing, right? Now keep in mind, we got vertex mode going on in edit mode. Okay. So if I'm going to pull on this, it doesn't really know what to do. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to select the face. Now when we do that, we can click on a face and we can pull this out and click it up and pull it out and click and pull out and click and pull out. That's kind of the idea, all right? So pretty straightforward. Now, there are of course a lot of combinations of things you can do, right? You can go in here and you can scale this, for example, right? Like this. And then you can go back to extrude again and then pull it out like so. You can, for example, I don't know, rotate it. Let's say you want to rotate it in this direction, and then you go back to extrude and you pull it out again. So there are many, many things you can do. And my advice to you is to play with these basic settings. So creating objects, extruding them. Next video is going to be unbeveling, just to get a feel of the space in Blender, how things move around, where the buttons are, how the shortcuts work. And there's no point in explaining each and every button in Blender right now, because no way you're going to remember all that, right? So that's what extrude is. It's something you're going to be using all the time in Blender. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. And in that video, we're going to be talking about beveling, right? See you there. Bye. Well, thanks for watching. And before you go, please hit that MH button to subscribe, okay? See you guys next time. Bye.